In the Revisions History toolbox, you can save various project ideas or take a photograph at any given time of the status of the document during its drafting and without having to create additional files because everything is saved in the same unique DCF file. Let's assume that after having completed the Bill of Quantities or Estimate document, we need to evaluate other design alternatives. Generally, this results in having a duplicate of the document to keep track of each case study. Now, this isn't necessary anymore because we can simply add a revision note to keep to one side, but keeping it internal to the same document. This allows us to track the current situation of the project. We can of course define a title and a description if necessary, allowing you to keep your original project ideas separate. As you can see, this integration has led to a new amount and therefore corresponds to a different project idea that we can also store in the revisions history, obtaining a second project alternative. Let's continue to work on the document, changing other dimensions and maybe the relating descriptions, and whatever else is necessary to evaluate a different case study. Adding this new revision, we now have 3 cases. The history of the document will be contained in one unique DCF file and is available immediately for any kind of assessment. In fact, you can open an old revision for evaluation. Maybe you can restore the entire revision, replacing it with the current document. Or maybe cancel the revision. Compare a revision of the current document status by means of the comp difference shows the identified differences, and with the comp merge tool you can decide to restore parts of the revision in the current document. This then helps the quantity surveyor to maintain the document history and at any time go back and retrace your steps without having to manage a large number of files.